All right, today, the next project for today is going to be the bevel block project. You're going to get a piece of pine. Your instructor will show you where in the shop to get this piece of wood. You're going to need a block plane. Block plane has a small chisel in it. You're going to need a combination square from your toolbox, and you're going to need your carpenter's pencil. Okay, what you're going to do here, what we want is we want to put a beveled edge on four sides of the block. The first step in doing this, we're going to take the combination square, we're going to loosen the nut on it, and we're going to adjust it down so that we have 3/8 of an inch of the ruler showing. Tighten that nut up. And I'm going to take the block, the combination square, and I'm going to mark all four sides of the block. I'm also going to measure the 3/8 in, and I'm going to mark the ends. All right, now that I put all my marks in the corners and along the edges, and then I slid the ruler out, and then I used my combination square and my pencil to make the marks all the way around the top, and then I used the edge of the ruler to mark all the edges. So now I have a continuous line halfway from one side to the other on the edge and 3/8 in all the way around. Okay, we're going to utilize the bench vise to immobilize the piece while we're doing this cutting. I'm going to put the piece in and I'm going to tighten it up. I want to take the block plane. The block plane is a flat piece of steel with a chisel in it. Okay? It has a rounded edge on the back which will easily be comfortable to put your palm against, and two areas that you can put your thumb and your middle finger on. You can take your other finger and put it right here. Now when I start doing this, I want to start by putting the block plane right here at the edge of my piece and holding it at a 45-degree angle from the face to the edge. I'm going to then remove the material. As I remove the material, this area will get bigger and the chip that comes out will start to increase in size. I'm going to continue to do this until I get down to my line. Once I get to the line on the top and on the side, I'm going to stop. I'm going to do both sides, and then I have to do both ends. The technique for doing the ends is a little bit different. Because the grain grows up out of the wood in this direction, to use the block plane as we did it on the side would tend to grab a hold of that end grain and tear it out. So if you turn the block plane a little bit more so that you're shaving up rather than across, you'll get better results and prevent the splitting. I'm just going to continue to do this for all four sides. Okay, when I'm done, you should have all the four sides should be symmetrical, and the top should be symmetrical down to your line. Once you're done doing all four sides and you're satisfied with your work, you're going to take your bevel block, you're going to place a finish nail in the middle, and you're going to You're going to attach it directly centered under your window.